When people say CRM, Salesforce is usually the first name that comes up. But does it still hold up today, or has it become too bloated for its own good? Let's break it down. Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM platform built to manage sales, customer support, marketing, and everything in between. It's designed for large teams, but it's flexible enough to scale from startups to enterprises. Salesforce is all about customization. You can build custom workflows, automate lead follow-ups, integrate third-party apps, and even deploy AI tools like Einstein for predictive sales forecasting. It's also modular, so whether you're in B2B sales, e-commerce, or service delivery, you can tailor it to fit. The catch is that power comes with complexity. The learning curve is steep, and setup takes time, especially if you're customizing deeply, and it's also expensive. Pricing starts reasonable, but can balloon fast with add-ons and user licenses. For small businesses, it might be overkill. So Salesforce is still the king of CRMs, but only if you need all that power. Do you want to see how it compares to HubSpot or Zoho? Let me know, and I'll catch you later. Thanks for watching.